Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Ramadan is a time of fasting, reflection, and devotion. But are we eating right when we break our fast? Many of us unknowingly make unhealthy choices that leave us feeling sluggish instead of energized. I am Professor Dr. Javed Iqbal FAROOQI, and in this vlog, I'll share practical tips on how to eat healthy during Ramadan so you can stay energized, hydrated, and make the most of this blessed month. From the best suhoor choices to avoiding post iftar fatigue, I'll cover it all. So stay with me and let's make this Ramadan the healthiest one yet. A healthy eating during Ramadan is crucial to maintain energy levels and overall well being while fasting. Here are some valuable tips to help you eat healthy during this blessed month. Suhoor, the pre fasting meal. Take care of three things. First, eat complex carbohydrates. It includes foods like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables to provide sustained energy throughout the day. Second, incorporate protein and healthy fats. Eat foods like lean meats, dairy products, nuts, and seeds to keep you full and satisfied. And third, and the most important, stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water and other hydrating fluids like lassi or low fat milk to help your body retain fluids. Tips about iftar or breaking the fast. Take care of three things. First, break your fast with dates. Dates are a traditional and healthy way to break your fast, providing a natural source of sugar and fiber. Second, eat a balanced meal. Include a variety of foods like whole grains, lean proteins, and plenty of vegetables to replenish your energy stores. Third, and the most important for iftar, avoid overeating. Eat slowly and mindfully to avoid consuming too much food, which can lead to discomfort and indigestion. Few general tips about healthy eating. First, avoid caffeinated and carbonated drinks. These can exacerbate dehydration and lead to other health issues. Second, limit sugary and processed foods. Opt for whole, nutrient dense foods to maintain your energy levels and overall health. And third, stay physically active. Engage in light physical activity like walking to help maintain your physical and mental well being. Remember, Ramadan is not just about fasting, it's about nourishing your body in the best way possible. Choosing the right foods for suhoor and iftar can keep you energized, improve digestion, and enhance your overall well being. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips throughout the Ramadan. And let me know in the comments what's your go to healthy iftar meal. Let's make this Ramadan a time of both spiritual and physical well being. Take care, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next episode.